We'll guide you through how to create a Trello Kanban board. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Trello website and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Pointsiv Kotze icon on the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll see an option to Create Board. Select that, and a new window will pop up. Here, you can name your board. Let's call it Project Management for this example. Choose a background color or image to personalize it. Trello offers several options, so pick one that suits your style. Once you're done, click Create Board to proceed. Now you're inside your new board. You'll notice it's empty, so let's start by creating some lists. Lists in Trello represent different stages of your workflow, like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Click Add a List, type in the name of your first list, and press Enter to save it. Repeat this process to add more lists. Now, let's add some cards. Cards are like tasks or items you need to work on. Click on Add a Card under the first list, type in a task name, and press Enter. You can click on a card to add more details, like a description, due date, or checklist. You can also assign members by clicking Members and selecting from your team. This way, everyone knows who's working on what. Once your cards are in place, you can drag and drop them between lists to show progress. For example, when you start working on a task, drag it from To Do to In Progress. When it's finished, move it to Done. This visual representation helps you keep track of your project's status at a glance. Additionally, you can use labels to categorize tasks by priority or type. Click on a card, select Labels, and choose or create a new label. This adds color-coded tags to your cards, making it easy to identify them. Finally, you can adjust settings by clicking the Show menu button on the right to invite team members, change board settings, or check activity logs. And that's it. You've created your Trello Kanban board. Remember to regularly update it to reflect your team's work accurately. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.